Jollof rice is more than just food. It's a West African treasure, but did you know there is a special native jollof rice that takes the flavor to the next level? Today, I am showing you my unique way of making it using vegetable oil instead of palm oil. Trust me, this will be your new favorite. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making Nigerian native jollof rice loaded with shrimp, chicken and fresh spinach. I use vegetable oil instead of palm oil because my husband prefer it this way. The process is simple but the taste absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, I will prepare my chicken with seasoning, then fry it until golden brown. This adds a deep, rich flavor to the dish. Many people struggle to get jollof rice just right. Either it's too dry, too soft, or the flavor is not deep enough. But with the right method, you can get it perfectly smoking rice and flavorful. Today, I'll show you step by step how I make mine, and I promise you will love the results. So once the chicken is cooked, I will remove the chicken and set it aside. Then now I will fry the shrimp. For extra sweetness and aroma. To the rhythm of the drum, NK Joy Sweet Kitchens, where the magic comes from. Herbs and melodies blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, wipe away your fears. NK Joy Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. So now time to fry the diced pepper and the chopped onion. Taste that make you groove. In this kitchen party, you got nothing to lose. NK Joy Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. Then I add my blended tomatoes. This need to cook well until most of the water evaporate. Now here is something special. I add my fresh spinach at this stage and let it cook for just a few minutes. This gives the stew a rich, earthy taste. Time to build the flavor. I add ground crayfish, seasoning, curry powder, and thyme. Thyme and nutmeg. Before adding my rice, I take out some of the stew and keep it aside. This will be added later to boost the final taste of the jollof rice. So now I added the chicken broth. I will now add my boiled rice. To the remaining stew. This allows the rice to cook, to soak up all the delicious flavor. Now I will cover the pot and let the rice cook on low heat. The steam will help it absorb all the flavors perfectly. At this stage, the rice is nearly done, but here is my final trick. Adding back the reserved stew. This step gives the jollof rice a deep, smoking and rich flavor. Now I will cover it again and let the water dry up completely. This is what makes the rice fluffy and non-stinking. Finally, I add my crispy fried chicken and shrimp right on top of the jollof rice. Look at this perfection! And there you have it, Nigerian native jollof rice made with vegetable oil, cooked the perfect way for deep, authentic flavor. Doesn't this look amazing? Have you ever tried jollof rice this way? What is your favorite secret ingredient? Let me know in the comment. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipe. Thank you for watching. God bless you all and see you all in my next video. Bye. Ciao, ciao.